Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. In this video, we will learn Ancient India. Ancient India Series 1 practice questions for IAS prelims. Not only for IAS prelims, for all the competitive examinations. So now we shall see Paleolithic Age. Paleolithic Age, also called Stone Age and Ice Age. This ice age was spread all parts of India except the alluvial plains of Indus and Ganga river. In the banks of Indus and Ganga were not inhabited by this Paleolithic human. And this Paleolithic men was called Negrito race. So these Negrito race lived in the caves and rock shelters. Their profession usually hunting and gathering of wild fruits and vegetables. Mainly they were busy in hunting and gathering. They were not have the knowledge of agriculture, house building, and pottery or use of any metals. They did not have the knowledge of agriculture or house building or pottery or any metals. They didn't use any metal. And at the end of this Paleolithic age, they attained the knowledge of a fire. So they were come to know the usage of fire. And these Paleolithic men used quartzite rocks, so called quartzite men in India. Next, Paleolithic age, and these shelters we shall see where we have found in India. Early Paleolithic age, use of hand axes, choppers, and cleavers, found in rock shelters of Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh, and Belen Valley, Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. And the second, Middle Paleolithic age, use of stone tools made up flakes, mainly these flakes, found in Son, Narmada, Tungabhadra River Valley, Pothwar Plateau, Indus Jhelum, Shango Caves, Pakistan. The last one, later Paleolithic age, parallel sided blades, burins, bone tools, founded in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, central Madhya Pradesh, southern Uttar Pradesh, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Bone tools found only at sites of Kurnool and Machatla, Chintamani Gavi in Andhra Pradesh. Next, second one, Mesolithic age. This Mesolithic age will come after Paleolithic age. These the men of a Mesolithic age were hunters and herders. So these also called microliths. Absent of a pottery, but it's present at Langnaj in Gujarat and Kaimur region of Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. Only in these two places we can found the presence of pottery, but remained in whole India we cannot see. Inhabited rock art, Bhimbetka caves, animals dominate the seams, but no snake were depicted. So we can found there, so found the art of animals. And division of a labor on the basis of gender. So here the we can see division of a labor, the two on the basis of gender, male and female. We can found this Bagur in Rajasthan, Amargarh in Madhya Pradesh, Mahadasha in Uttar Pradesh. Next, third one, Neolithic age. Neolithic age is a food producing stage. Here domesticated cattle, sheep, goats. Cattle, sheep, goat. These three animals were domesticated, and invention in technology. And also we can see invention of pottery, emergence of self-sufficient village communities, division of labor on the base of sex and age. Next, these can found in Burza home, Domesticated dogs buried with their masters in graves. Gufkral in Jammu and Kashmir. Maski, Brahmagiri, Piklihal, Bidihal, Tekkalakota in Karnataka. Mehergarh, known as a breadbasket of Baluchistan. Kaldiva in Balen Valley, presence of three ages. Kaldiva, Mahagara, Choini Mandi, Balen Valley. So this Balen Valley is the presence of three ages. We can found three new Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and this Neolithic age. Chalcolithic age. Chalcolithic age. Copper Stone age. First metal to be used as copper, later bronze. So they used, we can see in ancient India, first metal used is that copper, and later they used bronze. So this bronze we can see in Harappan civilization. Pre-Harappan civilization and later post-Harappan civilization. So this Chalcolithic was found pre-Harappan civilization rural, and also post-Harappan civilization as a rural. Domesticated cows, sheep, goat, pigs, buffaloes, and hunted deer. So they domesticated cows, sheep, goat, pigs, buffaloes, and deer. But they hunted deer. And they ate beef, but did not like pork. So they used to eat beef, not acquainted with horses. The horse mm, the sign of horses using horse not found. They practiced more slash burn or a gem cultivation or moving one place to another place cultivation. Next, produced wheat, rice, staple, bajra, and pulses. However, neither the flug nor the hue has been found. So that flugging, uh, they flugged the land, but flug or hue not found. Export coppersmiths. These Chalcolithic men was export in coppersmith. They used spinning and weaving, the beginning of social inequality. So in this era only, the inequality started. No milk for dairy producing, the new art of a copper smelting, and were good stone workers as well. So this man was mm, busy in good stone working. So where we can found Har in Banas Valley, Rajasthan. Nevaza, Jorwe, Navadotli, Daimabad, Sangyon, Inamgon, Nasik. So these will come in Maharashtra. Charind, Sonur, Sonpur in Bihar, Mahishdal in West Bengal, Katara, Malwa, Iran in Madhya Pradesh. So now we shall see question and answers about this. Which of the following are characteristics of the Neolithic age? Use of very finely flanked small stone tools, blades, and branch. Domestication of cattle, herds, and other farm animals. Painting and decorating pottery. These three also can found. But except these arts, there is no sign of usage of arts. The correct statement regarding the prehistoric art. Paleolithic and Neolithic people practiced painting. That's right. Which was the first metal used by man? That is copper. Which with which of the following periods do we associate it with the microlith implements? So microliths means that is Mesolithic age. With which period do we associate with the megaliths? So that is Neolithic and Chalcolithic. Now, what was the earliest metal tool used for clearing jungles? Tool means we metal used copper, but tools are used for clearing jungles. for that gem cultivation. The first animals to be domesticated during Stone Age, that is dogs, goat, sheep. Nomadic man started settling in Neolithic age. Man moved from food gathering to food producing in the Neolithic age. The greatest invention of a man in the Paleolithic age was discovery of fire. From these only he transformed. During the Chalcolithic age, the only metal known to man, that is copper. Which of the following archaeological sites have Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic remains? That is none other than Balen Valley. These three eras also can be found in the same place. So that's about this ancient India. Remained one which I will see in the next video. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.